Hi guys, so we are checking in for overnight here at the Coro Hotel. This is a new 3.5-star hotel at the heart of Poblacion, Makati. Sobrang lapit nito sa lahat. Pero yun nga lang, ang downside nito ay wala siyang sariling parking. So we need to park doon sa may parking slot sa gilid lang ng hotel itself. It's kind of first come first served basis, but since hotel guest ka, they will assist you naman till makahanap ka ng parking. It's a good thing na meron ng available slot when we reach the hotel. So habang parking sila, nakakuha na ako ng room. May kasama pala tong breakfast, good for 2 for 4,832 pesos per night via Agoda. But if you want to book directly to their website, meron din silang perks and freebies. I just prefer to book via Agoda since platinum member na ako dun and I am getting some discounts as well. So tong nakuha kong room, binigyan nila ako ng 15% off sa massage pa nila na hindi ko rin naman na-avail. So ito yung itsura ng lobby nila. Classy and elegant. Naka-Halloween theme na sila. Meron din sila ditong coffee shops and kids playground dito sa lobby. Meron ding 7-Eleven nearby and Starbucks opposite the hotel. So, I booked the Legato Superior twin room and it has got 2 twin beds, 28 square meter room space, kaya malaki talaga para sa dalawa. Sa itsura ng room, papasa na to sa akin na 4-star to 5-star hotel. Merong safe box, digital yung do not disturb and housekeeping button, may laundry bag for laundry service just like any other hotels. May ironing board pero yung plancha and the bathrobes you have to request pa. Siguro may nag-uuwi for souvenir, only in the Philippines, cheret. So, meron ding weighing scale, bedroom sleepers, meron ding selfie mirror, ang laki ng salamin. So, may working table for 2 and ergonomic working chairs and medyo malaki yung TV. Complete with chest drawers, 2 twin beds with nice sheets and 5 pillows. Each bed. Hindi ba? Hindi tinipid yung mga unan. Yung bathroom is super linis, complete with toiletries, 2 bath towels, and 2 hand towels. Yung blower nila ang lakas and ang ganda ng quality. And of course, bidet check tayo. Meron, so good. Merong 2 rolls of tissues and mirror lens. The shower has 1 rain shower head, complete with shampoo and conditioner and liquid soap. But for me, I prefer to bring my own, especially if you have your own treatment shampoo and conditioner and you wouldn't want to miss the smell of your favorite liquid soap. And I love this mini fridge kasi double door siya. May freezer sa top. And of course, may mini bar, free water for 2, water heater, my glasses and coffee cups. Normally kasi coffee cups lang, 'di ba? Walang glasses. And ito yung nakakatawa, may kasamang dinnerware along with free Twinings tea and coffee mixtures. And ito pa, not all hotel rooms ay may microwave ha. So amazing, digital tong microwave nila. In fact, sa ibang 5-star hotel, hindi naman ganito kakompleto. Nakaka-amaze tong room nila talaga. Meron ding reading light sa tabi ng bed. So, overall room tour, I'm really satisfied. Wala nga lang window view, but it's okay as long as lahat ng needs mo ay complete na sa room. So, umakyat muna kami para i-check ang pool area at bar sa 17th floor. And ang ganda. In fairness, tapos nakakabata ang vibes ha kasi may bar resto sa tabi, complete with music na pang gimmick. In fact, ganito kaaga may mga nagso-social drinking na. Binisita din namin yung massage spa and nag-check ng prices. 1,500 pesos pataas ang rates nila. And then tinignan ko din yung kanilang massage area at meron din silang foot spa chair. Nakakasyala and nakaka-relax ang vibes dito. Gawa din ng relaxing spa music background. 24 hours open tong spa na to, so nakakatawa, anytime na feel mo magpamassage ay available sila. Hindi na nga kami nakapunta sa 18th floor para i-check yung gym kasi Tom Jones na kami. At bumaba na muna kami para bumili ng food. Nag-nap lang kami sandali, tapos naisipan na naming tumambay at mag-chill na sa pool area bago kami mag-swimming na din. Alam nyo, isa pa sa nakakatuwa dito sa hotel na to ay hanggang 12 midnight open ang pool. At Ang bar nila ay open till 2 a.m. Para talaga sa mga mahiling magpuyat ng hotel na to. Kasi 'di ba normally hanggang 7 p.m. lang ang mga pool area sa ibang hotels. Even sa mga condo, limited lang ang oras. So, let me say, we will definitely come back here. So, umorder pala kami ng 1.5 liters ng piñata cocktail, pork sisig at chicharong bulaklak. Nakakatuwa kasi yung music na pinapatugtog that time ay yung mga usong kanta pa nung 2004 and 2005. Panahong talagang madalas pa ang bar hopping ko nun. Lakas maka-throwback. At nang maubos na nga ang alak, ay lumublob na ang peg namin, pampababa ng tama. At ayun na nga, we called it a day. Indeed, an enjoyable Sabado night. Watch out for our breakfast buffet tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys!